Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your username in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's open up our TikTok app first. There's our TikTok app. Let's open it. Okay, let's pause the video even though it's beautiful. And you need to know a thing about your username is a username in TikTok will always start with the @ sign, and also that other TikTok users can use to tag or find you with your username. A nickname is the name visible to users on your profile. So now to change your username, just go to your profile by tapping on the profile button, which is on the bottom right corner of your phone. So tap there, and you can see the edit profile option over here in the middle of your screen. Tap there. So after that, you can see your username option over here, which is currently mnatus123 for me. Now to change it, tap there, and you got this option. So let's change it. If you want to change it, you just need to type your username, your desired username. For me, that will be Amsterdam3234. And similarly, you can input your desired username. So let's save it. You can see the save option at the top right corner of your phone. Save it and set username, and it gives you a warning. You can change the username once every 30 days. So after I have inputted my username, now I will only be able to change it 30 days later. Similar will be for you. Now set the username. Changing your username in TikTok is this easy, and if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Peace.